Hi friends, I want to share a secret with you. Someone shared this with me some years ago and it changed my life. He said to me, it's not what you don't have that is the problem. It's what you have but you don't know how to use. That's what is holding a lot of people down. And I want to show you how to start with what you have. A lot of people are waiting for until everything is in place, until you have this or have that. What about what you have? What are you doing with what you have? Until you start leveraging what you have, you will not be able to achieve or get what you need to make that thing successful. Who am I? My name is Apostle Anthony Josephat. I'm a pastor, I'm an author, I'm a leadership coach, I'm an immigration consultant and a digital transformation expert. Come today, I want to show you something that will change your life as it changed mine. You can still make the most of this year. First half is gone. Maybe you have not achieved your goals. Maybe you have not hit your target. Maybe you are not where you projected to be by the end of the first half of the year. Don't lose hope. I'm here to help you and I want to show you how to make the second half of the year the best part of this year. The second half of the year is here. Don't worry about the first half. I'm hosting a program I call 2023 Second Half Challenge. 2023 Second Half Challenge. I will be guiding you to make the rest of this year the best and the most productive and the most purpose-driven and prosperous for you if you're interested. In the book of Psalm 19 verse 12, it says, teach us to number our days that we may apply our hearts unto wisdom. You need to number your days. You need to measure your days. What have you done with the first half of the year? With the past 6 months of the year? What have you done last week? What have you done? Peradventure, you've been living your life. There's no goal, no aim, no target, no plan. And that's the place where a lot of people get it wrong. Or peradventure, you had a goal. You had a plan, but you don't execute. You lack the motivation, you lack the technique on how to implement or execute and crush your goals. Okay, I want to guide you if you're interested. Maybe early this year you had a New Year resolution like many people do. I want to stop this habit, I want to start this. Maybe you have a goal, I want to travel overseas, I want to have a new degree, I want to get married, I want to settle down, I want to start a ministry, a business and all that. Along the line you find out you are not following up. What if I tell you that I have found the cause why many people don't achieve their goals? And when I discovered this, I applied it in my life. It helped me to crush my goal faster. I want to share it with you. I want to empower you with this if you're interested. This second half of the year, I want to challenge you to make it the best. You need to reflect, you need to re-strategize, and you need to relaunch. You need to reflect, you need to re-strategize, and you need to relaunch. I have volunteered to guide you. I'm offering to coach you, mentor you, and guide you in a program I call 2023 Second Half Challenge. I will challenge you to set that goal. What do you want to achieve? What is that thing you've been difficult for you to do? And I will guide you to do what to achieve it. All you need to do is to make yourself available and to join the program and learn, and you will see yourself achieving what you could not achieve for the past 5 years within a month, within a week. You need to plan your life. This is the second half. Don't leave it the way your first half have been. You need to sit down, you need to re-strategize, you need to reflect, you need to relaunch. I will be showing you how to leverage the tools you already have. I'll be walking you through the tools you need to make the second half of 2023 the best year. And these tools will enable you to be more productive, to be more purpose-driven, and to lead a more prosperous, happy, and fulfilled life. In this program, I will show you how to discover, recover, and reignite your vision stroke dream. A lot of people, you had a vision, you had a great vision, a great dream, but today that dream, that vision have fizzled out. I will also show you how to discover your purpose, your calling, your giftings, and your talents. These are the tools God has given you to make the most of this earth, to be prosperous, to be successful, to be fulfilled, and to be happy. A lot of people have hidden their talent. Your talent is anything that you can maximize, you can make most of, to multiply it. God has gifted everyone, but some people have not discovered this, and some that have discovered it have not developed it. I'll guide you on how to do that. Another is goal setting. That's where many people miss it. Goal setting and execution. Okay, how to have a big goal, how to set a big goal. We want to achieve something, but you cannot achieve anything until you set a goal. Remember, if you don't have a goal, you will not hit a goal. You cannot hit a target you don't have. In a football match where there is no goal post, there will not be a winner or a loser. A lot of people are walking through the face of the earth without a goal, and that is why failure is high. That's why a lot of people are going to jobs they hate. You need to have a goal. How long we want to do this? How do you want to achieve with it? What's their major overall goal you want to achieve? I'll also show you digital transformation system. How to use digital transformation. What do you have? Are you a teacher? How can you teach millions of people without you teaching every day? How can you design a system that will make your job faster and reach more people? That's what we call digital transformation. I'll show you how to use digital tools, digital systems and channels in this digital world, in this global village we live in. How to use these tools to take your business to the next level, to reach more people, to serve more people, and to aim more. Then number 5, I will show you digital media positioning, how to position your brand and business using digital media, social media, digital marketing, digital promotion, digital platforms and channels to create awareness, to reach more people, to attract followership, to become influential and to impact life. That's not all. We are living in a digital village. We're living in a global village. How can you position your brand, your business, your skill, your expertise? How can you market it using digital channels like YouTube channel, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, TikTok, and all these channels? How can you position leveraging these platforms? I will show you that. The next is digital entrepreneurship. I also teach you digital entrepreneurship. Digital entrepreneurship is building your business using digital platforms, taking your business to the digital pace. This will blow your mind. This is a game changer. Then I will also show you how to build and launch a global brand. A global brand that will open doors for you, that enable you to become a global citizen, that enable you to immigrate overseas. As an immigration consultant, if you have a dream to travel overseas to work, maybe Canada, US, Europe, or wherever, I will show you how to build your brand, how to package what you do and put it out there in the digital marketplace that will earn you the recognition, that will open doors and borders of nations for you. When you discover your talent and package it, it earns you the global talents visa. Last but not the least, how to become an authority. This and many more we'll be discussing, and how to lead a fulfilled, successful, and glorious life that glorifies God. Like I said, I want to raise 10,000 rich and righteous, wealthy and wise, God-fearing people by the end of 2026. That's a goal I have. All these and many more, I'll be showing you how to leverage these tools, to leverage your vision, your dream, your talent, digital platforms, goal setting, digital transformation, digital media, and digital entrepreneurship, to become influential and to become a well-recognized person that's making impact on earth, adding value to lives. A whole lot of people are already under my mentorship and coaching program, and I'm inviting you to join this team. When you join this team, you have access to my mentorship, coaching. After the 7 days coaching, there are other programs which I'll be introducing you to, but we are having an onboarding of this program. I'll be presenting it to everyone, and the venue is Zoom. Also, you can join us on Zoom, on YouTube, or via Facebook. Okay, it's free. We'll be broadcasting it live. Okay, I'll be presenting all these things I'm showing you. We're gonna do 7 days. Every day I come live and we'll see some recorded video on vision, identifying your vision, goal setting. Okay, and that's some of the things we'll be covering. And then I'm inviting you to register and then be part of that first day. Is free. Then after that you can subscribe to attend the program. I look forward to seeing you in the other side. To register, click or call or WhatsApp the number on your screen or visit the landing page and subscribe. Make the second half of this year the best half of this year. God bless you. I remain your friend, Apostle A.C. Josephat. I love you. I love God. I want to make an impact to help people to make the most of life, to become successful, become productive, and become fulfilled in life. Will you honor this invitation? See you.